Good morning, YouTube people, world, everywhere. What do we got here? We got a mess cleaned up. It's been 3 months for that. Got tools put away. This thing, I think I fixed it. Ended up taking one of these little power blocks right here. Took one of those from some electronic device that I had. That was 12 volts. You hear that? It's power stroke. Anyway, 12 volts, 500 milliamp hours, basically half amp hour. And I think I got that working. So it's been charging all night though. Let's see. So we got half a battery. Better than it was. Alright, for the Audi, got just telling you guys what I did already. Cleaned the hole inside the Audi. It's super dirty. Wife had to take the mother-in-law to the doctor. Oh boy. Got the dash cam installed. It's front and rear. So I have it hardwired. I don't have it into a cigarette lighter. Ended up disassembling. This is a King Slim 4D or D4. Anyway, ended up hardwiring it into the fuse panel. Because I did not want, so it's a D4 right here, this one. So it comes with a cigarette lighter deal, and it's got capacitors and some other stuff inside of it. So I had to take that all apart and then solder wires to it, hooked one to the ground, and then hooked one into a fuse. And then I have the capacitor deal, because when I just plugged it into power, it was almost like it pulsed power to it, so it would turn on and off. It'd be all ba-ding, ba-ding, ba-ding. And yeah, so I had to take the capacitor out of the cigarette lighter deal and use that because I guess it increases the power or the wattage or amperage, even though it's only half amp hour. Oh no, I take that back. It's 2.5 amp hours, so 5 volts. So that little capacitor and everything increases it. So anyway, those are the specs of it. Goes to 140 degrees, which my car will be like 3,000 because it's black. But anyway, loop recording, emergency recording, parking monitor, has GPS, has Wi-Fi. Anyway, so far so good so far. I do have the wire all ran for the rear camera is right there. You can see all that dust, man. All this dust is probably from, I had to clean our refrigerator because the fan on the back of the refrigerator is staying on. So it's either new refrigerator or order parts. So I ordered a couple parts because you guys know I'm cheap. I'm borderline the J. Anyway, yeah, so I'm cheap. Ordered 2 parts, thermostat. It's a thermostat for something and then a thermostat for the cooling line. So basically, once the cooling line reaches a temperature, it shuts that fan off on the bottom to basically cool the condenser, I guess, kind of like a car fan, you know. So if your thermostat sensor, I guess, is bad, then your fan will continually run because it's an open loop, so it doesn't know when to shut off. So that thermostat is what shuts it off. Otherwise, it's open all the time, which keeps it running, which is good. So this way the refrigerator won't go bad. It's kind of like a fail safe. But anyway, so order parts for it. It won't be here till Wednesday, so I'll have to wait till I get home. I do need to do a transfer case service on this, which is just 1 quart. It's real easy. I don't know why I just don't do it. I'm just sick of being on the ground. I need a car lift. So I just done. Anyway, so it takes 1 quart. I do have the oil for it, which is this, which I'm pretty sure this stuff will probably work because this is automatic transmission fluid, a bunch of scribble scrabble, whatever all that means. Anyway, this is made in Germany. This is probably made in the Germany. Yep, made in Germany. Probably the same crap. Which I bought it. It's like $12 a quart. And I already have 2 quarts. Anyway. So it takes 1 quart. And yeah, I do have to add one of these to the car. And yep, I gotta do some stuff to the kids' truck. We're gonna probably put a voltage regulator on the truck. Oh, I'll put it here. Man, my back is tight. I think our bed's too soft. My bed is too soft. Anyway, kid pulled the truck around here, parked it in front of mine to show me how small mine is. Apparently, I did get the exhaust brake. The exhaust brake does work now. It was what I was thinking. The bottom piece that I milled out, the O-ring was on the bottom, so we ended up just throwing a little bead of caulking on there, and now the exhaust brake works. So that all works. Everything is good there. Man, I don't know why that engine sits so low in the back. Yeah, I don't know. It's just really, really angled when you look at it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. Maybe that's the way they're supposed to be. I don't think so, but maybe. Anyway, I was out here probing away on the crank position sensor, trying to figure all that out. The wiring's good. We got wire coming from the battery to the alternator. The wiring that goes from the alternator and goes over here, there's no power. It's not the alternator, I think, is probably good. I don't know. Decent Garage did a way to test it. He jumped a relay over there, but I cut all that stuff out. So I might have to figure that out. But anyway, we're probably just gonna get I told my kid to order the part that Decent Garage ordered, which I believe, I can't remember what is pro, not is pro, I can't remember what it's called, but the last 2 letters are PO, Transpo? Man, I can't remember. Anyway, told the kid to order one of those, and then we'll take the alternator off, wire that in, get rid of this stupid wiring. I'll probably tie into this wiring, because one of those wiring is an ignition source, which you'll need. And yeah, we'll go from there. But anyway, that's pretty much it. All I got. So anyway, I gotta go. We're gonna go head to Fart and Smile. Smart and Final. We call it Fart and Smile. Anyway. Yeah, I still have more stuff to do. I have to put this igniter in our pellet stove. igniter, pellet stove. I got a cabin filter for my truck that I have to take apart because I want to clean and lubricate the fan because it makes a weird noise. And then this is gasket set for my truck. Full intake set, EGR, basically to clean my EGR stuff that's on my truck. Anyway, because I have to do emissions, so I'm gonna clean all my emission stuff. So that'll have to wait. I was supposed to do it this week when I was off, but that truck over there showed up. Anyway, guys, that's all I got. I'm gonna go. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. Later. Harbor Free.